Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Space Jam tea. So I'm starting off with some water in the bottom of my cup, and I'm doing 2 scoops of wild berry bev mix. I'm doing raspberry tea, and I'm doing 1.5 teaspoons, and I'm going to blend that up, add some ice. Then I'm adding a orange Liftoff, some mango aloe, and 1 scoop of H3O. I'm adding more ice and water. And I'm going to sprinkle Blue Blast and Rainbow Candy on top. Add a little bit more water to make the color kind of go down. And there you go. That's how you make the Space Jam tea. Thanks for watching.